Effectively masks noise. Beloved by generations since 1962, Marpac is the trusted leader in white noise machines, and created the famous Marpac Sound, the soothing ambient sounds of rushing air. That sound that's helped millions experience better sleep for generations is now available in this light and portable design. The Rohm effectively cancels out noises that may disturb or distract for improved sleep and concentration. 3 soothing sounds. Choose from bright white noise, deep white noise, or gentle surf, then set your volume, anywhere from whisper quiet to impressively robust. Rohm lets you take control of your sound environment, excellently masking background noise and allowing for better sleep, office privacy, effective soothing for kids and babies, and calming for sound-sensitive dogs. Compact portable. At just 3.5 in diameter and 3.8 ounces, Rohm fits easily in a carry-on bag or backpack and comes with a lanyard for easy handling or hanging, and a 3-foot micro USB cord for charging on the go. Simple to use. Forget batteries and electrical outlets. Rohm can operate all night long on a single charge, and comes with convenient USB cable for recharging. Let the noise-masking magic happen for a natural sleep aid, office privacy, baby soothing, tinnitus relief, respite from noisy snorers and unfamiliar hotel rooms, and a relaxing calming balm for barking dogs. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. My wife can't sleep without her white noise. The apps for phones are loops, usually short with an annoying gap. The device she normally uses is also a clock and has to be plugged in. I found this and bought it before our last trip. It works perfectly. No noticeable annoying pattern. Can go louder than one would ever expect. Very small and easy to pack. Someone put a lot of thought into designing this product. It's great that one has to hold the power button for a significant period of time to activate. That prevents accidental activation in one's luggage, which would be problematic. Be sure you thoroughly read all of the instructions and fully understand the operation.